Can I get an amen for ginger? So, slice up your watermelon into thin, sashimi-like pieces. Precision is key, my friends, or if you're like me, try not to make a mess, and we'll call it a rustic, deliberate interpretation. You dig? Okay. Next, you want to squeeze a lime like you're holding one of those stress balls, but that could make quite the mess, so any kind of grater is your best friend, really. If you feel like your grater was judging your upper body strength, it probably is. Trust me, I've been there. Oh, and can we take a moment to see how beautiful my bowl is, pre-loved from Vinted? Oh yeah. Add in some raw coconut aminos, throw in some greens, and here's your omega-3 tip. So it's actually great for brain health, and if you ever forget where you left your watermelon, now you know what to blame.
Hey y'all, today we've got something super exciting for you, alright? So, we've got a watermelon, watermelon sashimi, right? Watermelon sashimi with ginger lime dress. Oh yeah. So, we're taking this vibrant summer juicy fruit and we're giving it an Asian inspired twist. You can see it there, you see that? You see that? Yeah. Alright. So hey y'all, but check this out y'all. So before we dive into the recipe, I want to share a quick story with you. So listen, yeah. So whenever as a family, right, we're celebrating anniversaries, birthdays, all that good stuff, you know. Well, basically, that's just one place we always go to, right? It's this Asian fusion buffet, right? Super dope, right? We literally go there all the time, right? But me, I like a little bit of a variety, right? So we've been there like over 10 times, right? So if it was up to me, we'd go there like, okay, once, next time a different cuisine, right? Because I don't know if you guys are the same, but I like experimenting with different restaurants, different buffets, just different cuisines. I just like that sense of unpredictability, right? But here's the thing, like when you're a family, it's not about you, right? It's not about me, it's about us. It's a collective. And as a collective, they love to go to the same place because it's that trust factor, right? It's like, okay, they know what they're gonna get, right? And I say pretty good, but to be honest, the food isn't really where I keep coming back, right? So, like, especially I'm the vegan of the family, right? Or to be more specific, I'm the vegan of the black family. If you know what that means, whoo, trust me. When they first found out, oh, yo, they were like, yo, I don't remember this guy being adopted. Well, they didn't say that, but listen, let's just say that was a surprise, right? A big one. But anyway, so yeah, so the options may be limited because I'm a vegan, right? But in the end, it doesn't matter, right? Or to channel The Rock, it doesn't matter what y'all think. It doesn't matter. But seriously, right? It's all good because, listen, I'm there for the family communal aspect, right? The family banter, the family, the banter, the chatter, right? Just being around the people that I absolutely love the most in this world, right? They've seen me at my best. They've seen me at my lows, and trust me, I've had them. Don't get it twisted, y'all. This may be social media, but trust me, I've had my lows, lots of them, and they've been there through me thick and thin. So I'm always gonna ride for my family. I absolutely love my family, and I hope you love your loved ones too. I really, really do, because to be honest, it's a beautiful thing when you've got family, people that cherish you, people that you cherish. Because listen, not everybody has that in life. Not everybody has that in life, so you just got to be grateful for the things, even the small things, just seeing their faces, their facial expressions. Because listen, you never know in life where people have so many different experiences, so just got to appreciate it. And that's why the buffet means so much to me, right? It's a chance to press pause, to be present, and to share something as simple and profound as a meal. I'll tell you what, the watermelon does a beautiful job of absorbing the flavors, right? Because listen, we got the ginger, right? Gives it that little spicy kick. Yo, yo, me like it, me like it. And the seed mix, it gives it a nice little crunch, right? Just that extra layer, right? I love it. Sorry guys, this bird's going wild. So right now we're just walking a bit, right? We're just chilling, and so differences I would have made. So the next time, I'll try and see if I can find some cilantro, because I went to like 3 different stores, couldn't find any. So in the end, we ended up using coriander. I mean, so it is what it is, right? Sometimes you gotta make do. If I was you, maybe throwing a little avocado there. I don't know. Just a suggestion, right? You never know. You might prefer it that way, right? But yeah, I enjoyed it, and right now we're just doing a walk, you know, get my little nature walk in, 'cause it relaxes me. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Actually, I want you to tell me something. Have you got any like well-being goals that you're working on? What does that look like for you? Anything well-being, because it doesn't have to be raw vegan related specifically, but anything well-being related, right? Physically, mentally, spiritually, socially, right? Are you feeling good? How's your gut? How's your gut, right? Are you eating wholesome ingredients, natural, organic? Are you going through a phase where it's like, yo, anything you can get your hands on and you can't just stop? Listen, we've all been there, right? We've all been there. It's a journey. It's a journey, right? So try not let it consume you, but just know that the person you are today doesn't need to be who you are tomorrow, right? Because listen, I said before, right, while I was eating, I said before that my family's been with me through my highs and my lows. And the funny part is, some of those lows, I don't even remember what they are, or what they were, rather, right? I don't even remember what some of them were. But at the time, right, I thought it was the end of the world. It was consuming me. I was thinking, oh, I was in my bubble. Like, oh, poor me, right? Of course, some of them I remember, but listen, some of them, I genuinely do not remember what they were. I should tell you something. If you're in a rut, currently, as in right now, just remember that a couple of years from now, you won't even remember, right? So just try to slow down a bit. Put on the brakes. All right. See you guys later. Thank you. Take care. And as always, your well-being is important. Good day.